morning. Good morning to all my lovely children. How are you all? I hope you all are very fit and fine at home by having very healthy meal at home. As I already told you that you need to eat healthy, you need to have fruits and vegetables every day. You need to have pulses also to keep yourself healthy nowadays. Are you following these guidelines? Yes, I suppose you are following all the guidelines. I know my children are very smart. So, you are also having a very good time with your parents also, aren't you? Okay, by spending a very good time with your parent, what all things you are doing? Are you doing some useful activities? And also you are revising the sessions I have shared with you, like the rhymes, the stories, the phonic sounds. Have you all are repeating all these things regularly or not? I hope you are repeating this regularly. Yes, you have to repeat all the rhymes, all the stories along with your parents each and every day so that you can learn these rhymes by heart. And I really hope that you are also helping your parents in the daily routine, like helping your mama to cook yummy food, and also by finishing your meals on time. Hope you're not troubling your mama and papa, and you're learning very useful activities also. Yes, I know that you are doing this. And I also really hope that you are not wasting time by watching TV and mobile phones and also by playing games. Yes, you're doing that. No, you should not do that. You should not waste your time by watching TV, by watching cartoons. Yes, you can watch TV, you can watch the cartoons, but not all the times. Only for 1 hour a day. Yes, and after watching the TV, you can spend time by doing some activities like we have shared making of rows and by repeating the rhymes with your parents. Yes, you are doing that. Yes, you have to do that. You should not play more games in the mobile phones. It will trouble your eyes. Your eyes will get hurt if you watch TV and you watch mobile phones again and again. So you should not do that. You should more focus on the useful things and useful activities. You should learn new things every day, not spending your time on mobile phones and TV. I know my children are getting very bored nowadays. They cannot go to park, they cannot come to school even, they cannot play outside their home also. So for you, I'll be teaching you a new activity or a new thing each and every day. So today, I'm going to teach you one thing that you have to wash your hands properly, and for 20 seconds you have to wash your hands. So now let's learn a new thing. By today I'll be teaching you how to wash your hands properly. So first you have to take some disinfectant soap in your hand, and then you have to rub your hands like this, like this, like this. In each and every direction, you have to rub your hands for 20 seconds by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this for 20 seconds you have to count, and then rinse it away. So in this way, your hands will look very clean and it will be clean. So you want to keep your hand clean. Yes, so in this way, you have to wash your hand regularly because it is the basic necessity nowadays as you have to fight with corona. So you have to wash your hands properly. I hope you are learning all the things that I'm telling you each and every day, and you're revising it at home also. So, the way I told you to wash your hands regularly, The way I told you that you have to wash your hand for 20 seconds, I hope that you repeat at your home regularly with your parents. So now, again, I'll be welcoming you all to the session 2020-2021. As of now, due to lockdown, we cannot meet you for another 14 days. So, but by sending you videos, I'll be explaining you all the basic concepts that you need to learn during these days. So, for today, I'll be teaching you the parts of the body and along with the phonetic sound they start with. So, are you all happy to learn all the phonetic sounds and the body parts? Are you? So now I'll be showing you a video, and along with that video we'll be learning different parts of the body, and you have to repeat it with me along with the video. So now get ready to learn all the parts of the body. So now today I'm welcoming you to your new school. Do you tell me what is the name of your school? Yes, Indraprastha International School. Look, all the kids are entering the school. They are very excited. The teacher is welcoming the kids to the school. Yes, now the children are entering the class. They are very excited to learn. The teacher will teach about body parts and the phonic sounds. So first one, say her head. Where is your head? Her head. Eyes. Repeat after ma'am. Eyes. Okay. Now, nose. What do you have to say after me? Nose. Then, show me your ears. These are ears. Ears. What is this? Ears. Hair. Touch your hair. This is our hair. Hair. Okay. Now, let's have a short recap. Touch your nose and say along with me. Nose. What is this? Nose. Now, next one. Hair. What is the sound of hair? Hair. What is the sound? Hair. Okay, now the next one. These are our eyes. What is the sound of eyes? Eyes. Touch your eyes. Blink your eyes. Okay, now what she is showing? Her head. Touch your head. Her head. And repeat after ma'am. Her head. What it is? Head. Next one. It is ears. We listen with our ears. Ears. Touch your ears. Okay. Now, there are some more body parts. Mouth. What is this? Mouth. We speak with our mouth. Say mouth. Lips. Where are your lips? Show me your lips. Yes, lips. What is the sound? Lips. This is tongue. Show me your tongue, everyone. Yes, tongue. These are teeth. And the sound? Teeth. What is the sound of teeth? Teeth. This is chin. Chin. What is the sound of chin? Chin. Okay. Now let's again have a recap. Teeth. What is this? Teeth. Teeth. You have to brush your teeth every day. Now, second one, lips. What are they? Lips. Repeat after ma'am. Lips. Okay. Our next one. He's showing his tongue. You also show your tongue. Tongue. Say tongue. Okay, next one. This is chin. What it is? Chin. She is showing you her chin. You also show her your chin. Yes. This is mouth. What it is? Mouth. Mouth. You speak with your mouth. Yes. So, hope you all enjoyed the session. So now, let us revise all the body parts we have learned today, and hope you have all understand the phonetic sounds also of all the body parts. So now, firstly, we'll revise all the body parts and along with their phonic sounds. Okay, what all body parts we have covered till now? Let's start. Let's start with our head. Where is head? This is head. What it is? Head. This is head. And inside our head, we have brain. Through brain, what we'll do? We think with our brain. If you have to think something, suppose if you're playing game, if you're doing something, so you think with your brain. So, where is brain? Brain is inside your head. Okay, now on head, what you have? Long hair. What you have? Long hair. Some of you are having like black hair, and some of you are having brown hair. So these are your hair. Then after that, what we have done? We have eyes. What we have? Eyes. And again, what we have? Ears. These are ears. And what is this? This is nose. What is this? This is nose. What is this? How I'm speaking to you? Through my mouth. How I'm speaking to you? Through my mouth. Where is my mouth? I'm touching my mouth. Are you touching yours? Okay. What are these two? These two are lips. What are they? Lips. What is there inside my mouth? I have two things. First one is teeth. What is this? Teeth. What are they? Teeth. I have so many teeth. You also have. Show me yours. Yes. There is one thing inside my mouth also. What is this? It is a tongue. This is a tongue. Okay. Now this is my tongue. Now let's revise the phonetic sounds also of all the body parts. Let's revise. Her head. What is this? Her head. Her head. This is her hairs. What is this? Her hair. What is this? Her hair. These are eyes. What is this? Eyes. Two eyes to see. Eyes. What are they? These are ears. Ears. What is this? Ears. Okay. What is this? Okay. Now, what will you do with your ears? We listen with our ears. So now let's come to this part. What is this? Nose. Nose. What we do with nose? We smell with our nose. You know, we smell with our nose. This is a perfume. And we smell with our nose. With which body part do you smell? Nose. What we'll do? Nose. Okay. Now, what we, nose. This is my mouth. This is my mouth. It is on my face. Like all the body parts, this is on my face and this is a mouth. We speak with our mouth. You speak a lot with your mouth. Yes, you're speaking rhymes. You're speaking many more new words with your mouth. What is there inside my mouth? The teeth. I eat and chew with my teeth. You eat yummy food with your teeth, na? Yes, we chew with our teeth. What is this? The teeth. What is this? The teeth. And how? Which body part feels? With which body part do you feel the taste? It is the tongue. You taste sweet as like you have so many taste buds on the body part tongue. If you like to eat something sweet, so you taste with your tongue. The tongue with the tongue. Okay, so in this way we have revised all the body parts and their phonetic sounds. So my dear children, I really hope that you are thorough with all the body parts we have covered today. Do revise it at home and definitely revise and recognize all the body parts we have done today. So at last, I am sending you a short little rhyme to revise all the body parts along with their phonetic sound.
The parts of the body part song, the parts of the body part song, the parts of the body part song. This is the body part song. This is my hair, this is my forehead, these are my eyes, these are my ears, this is my nose, this is my mouth, this is my chin, this is my neck. The parts of the body part song, the parts of the body part song, the parts of the body part song. This is the body part song. This is my shoulder, this is my chest, this is my stomach, this is my elbow, this is my arm, this is my wrist. These are my fingers, 5 in each hand. The parts of the body part song, the parts of the body part song, the parts of the body part song. This is the body part song. This is my thigh, this is my knee, this is my calf, this is my ankle, this is my foot. These are my toes, 5 in each foot. My body parts, the parts of the body part song, the parts of the body part song, the parts of the body part song. This is the body part song. This is the body part song.
So, hope you all enjoyed the rhyme. Do repeat and recite the rhyme with full voice modulation and actions with your parents. So, I really hope that you enjoyed the full session. So, I repeat you once again the whole thing which I have covered in the whole session, that you have to eat healthy, all the green leafy vegetables, fruits and pulses, chapatis, everything, and you have to utilize your time. You do not have to waste your time, and you should do some useful activities which we have already done in the last sessions. You have to wash your hands properly, and lastly you have to learn all the body parts we have covered today and their phonic sound. Yes, all the phonic sound we have covered today. Yes, and lastly, you have to recite the rhyme with your parents. And yeah, I also request you all to please share me your videos of reciting rhymes and recognizing things around and recognizing your body parts with me. And enjoy the full session again. Thank you so much. Have a great day.